What's going on, guys? My name is Aaron. Welcome to my channel where I talk all things crypto and marketing. And today I'm going to show you how to buy Dogelon, or any low cap gems. That just kind of new projects that pop up. They could be meme coins or new projects that you are interested in. I just been buying a whole bunch of little meme coins that I'm like, okay, maybe this is going to work. And the reason why you would buy a little new project is if the market cap is super low, like under 50 million. And when you do that, that means you buy like a whole bunch of coins, like millions and billions and maybe even trillions of this like new coin that's maybe been out on the market maybe 24 hours or 48 hours or whatever, or maybe even a month. This is when I bought in SafeMoon. And these are coins that are not yet on exchanges, but it's like super difficult to buy them. So I'm going to do that live with you now, and I'm going to hopefully troubleshoot a whole bunch of stuff. And I'm going to use Dogelon as my example. And so that's what we're going to do. This is a general video for Dogelon, but this could be applied to every low cap market gem like that's brand new, not on any exchanges. And you have to use Uniswap to get there. I could use another one for Pancake Swap. You could also check out my video for SafeMoon on that one, on how to buy SafeMoon. But here's a video on how to buy Dogelon and any really new low cap gem. So here we go. This is first thing that I like to do before I buy any new coin is I like to check out their website. You could read their website. This is dogelon.io. Read their website. I'm not going to go through it. I hate when videos just read through the website. I mean, I could do that myself. I like to highlight things maybe and pick stuff up that's important. And what's important here is this contract address. Okay, we're gonna want it. We're gonna want this thing. We're gonna want that contract address. Okay, so let's keep on going here. I like to check out their Twitter, and I also like to check out their Telegram. So it's only like 2,000 followers, right? I mean, they joined in April. I mean, this is like a brand new, stinking new thing. I think it's only a couple days old, and I've already bought some. And so what do you have to do? And I would also check out their Etherscan. Now, if you go to etherscan.io and you type in their address here, typically they won't have the name, but if they have the address, you can see like, who's bought in the last 29 seconds. It's pretty amazing stuff, and you could kind of see just like live trades from people all over the world that are doing this. I would recommend you do this every single time, just because it's brand new, right? You want to do a little research. I'm going to let you do your research here with Dogelon, but you came here to find out how to work this thing. Oh, and here's CoinMarketCap. We're just real quick. We're at 6 zeros, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. So I'm up on Dogelon, which is great, and this is what it's doing. It's, I don't think it's moonshot yet. I don't think this is the moon, but we'll see. So let's do this. We're gonna go to, first thing you have to do is download a wallet called Metamask if you haven't already. And you just go ahead and hit download here. I already have that, and you install the Metamask for Chrome. You have to be using Chrome, and it's basically an extension up here. You'll see this little dog icon, little wolf icon up here. I don't know if you can see that on my screen, but all you have to do is I'll click that, but you won't be able to see this. You're not able to see this. But yeah, you'll be able to click this, and then you'll be able to see, that like wallet on there. Anyway, what you then have to do is you have to load your what's this called? Your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum. Now you could buy Ethereum on there. You'd have to use a debit card, and you'd have to just click buy. It's pretty simple. I don't want to bore you with that, but you need to load it on there. I buy on Binance, and so I buy my Ethereum there, and then I go ahead and buy it on, or I send it over to my MetaMask wallet. I could make another video on how to send later. After you have this Chrome extension MetaMask, that's when you go to app.uniswap. I don't think I spelled it right, but you're gonna need to use this. You're gonna need to use. I'll move myself over here. Uniswap interface. Okay. Oops. And then you're gonna want to make sure that this thing is connected. Okay. You need to make sure that thing is connected. your wallet ID needs to be here, okay? Once that's made, and these are all my other purchases, right? So once that's made, you're going to want to go to Ethereum. So you have Ethereum in your account, and you're going to select this token. Now, typically, if it's brand new, you won't be able to type in. You could type in the name, but I've already done that, right? Sometimes that doesn't work. So sometimes you have to paste the name of the contract, and that's where it is too. So you could put, you could get the name of the contract right from their website, like I got from here. But I'm gonna put Dogelon. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and buy 0.01 for this, but not enough liquidity. Uh-oh. So sometimes insufficient liquidity. Uh-oh. Oh, it's up. There we go. Hey. So when I buy 0.01, typically you have to adjust this slippage tolerance, but I'll show you a trick. Typically, if you come in here and you type in 1 and you change that last 0 into a 1, you'll be able to bypass the slippage. Now, if you don't do that and the slippage doesn't work, the trade will attempt to go through, but it won't be able to go through, and then you'll be charged fees, like these high Ethereum fees. I paid like $80 in fees trying to buy this. I tried to buy it like 3 or 4 times. Dogelon before this video. Okay, so I wanted to make this video to make sure that no one else makes these mistakes. And so I'm gonna go ahead and swap, and then I'm gonna go ahead and confirm swap. Now my MetaMask just popped up, and I'm going to go ahead and buy. Transaction submitted. Add elon to MetaMask. So you're gonna want to add this to your MetaMask wallet. Okay, add token. It's already added for me, and then yeah, and that's basically it. Now you'll see here that it's pending in the top right corner. Once that is done pending, it'll give you a little alert showing you that you have indeed your MetaMask, your elon, whatever, your coin in there. Anyway, that's about it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe. I'm a brand new in crypto investor. Just making this for my friends. Oh, there it is. See, there you go. Took a little time. I'm brand new. I'm trying to earn my way to 1 Bitcoin. So if you want to follow me on my journey, please hit subscribe. We'd love to have you. Thanks again. I'll talk to you soon.